Here is my tech talk for the week ending November 15th, 2024. And this week's topic, how to build an effective home security system on a budget. Home security has come a long way. You no longer need a Hollywood movie style budget with infrared lasers and guard dogs, though the dog might still be a good idea. Today, you can create a safe, secure home setup for a fraction of the cost with a bit of do-it-yourself effort and some savvy shopping. Here's how to do it. Number one, get started with cameras, the eyes of your home. A camera or two is a great first investment. Choose ones that are budget friendly and easy to install. Outdoor security cameras. Look for models with night vision and motion detection. A good entry-level option is the Wise Cam, between $30 and $50. It's affordable, wireless, and accessible through an app, so you can keep an eye on your place while lounging on the beach. Indoor cameras. For indoor monitoring, affordable models like the Blink Mini, about $35, lets you check in on pets, kids, and houseplants while adding an extra layer of security. Tip: keep your cameras visible. Burglars often think twice when they know Big Brother or, well, you is watching. Number two, smart doorbell. Stop intruders at the front door. Your front door is prime real estate for security. A video doorbell allows you to see, hear, and talk to whoever is at the front door, even if you're not home. Budget option. The Wise Video Doorbell, about $60, includes HD video, night vision, and two-way audio. It's like having a digital bouncer at your door. I personally have been very satisfied with the many smart Wise devices I own. Why it's worth it. Video doorbells not only help deter thieves, especially those pesky package thieves, but also let you keep tabs on visitors. Pro tip: many models require Wi-Fi, but not a subscription. Just double check any hidden fees before buying. Number three, motion detectors and door window sensors. Catch movement before it matters. Adding motion detectors and sensors to your doors and windows creates a perimeter of protection. Many affordable options are quick to install and can make an intruder think twice when they hear that unexpected beep. Affordable options. A pack of basic sensors costs around $20. Place them on high-risk doors and windows, especially on the ground floor. Motion sensors. For about $10 to $15 each, add these to key areas where someone would have to pass through, like your entryway or near valuables. Even a small noise can startle intruders, so it doesn't have to be fancy to be effective. Number four, illuminate with motion sensor lights. No shadows for shady characters. Burglars thrive on darkness, so take that away by adding motion-activated lights around the perimeter of your home. Budget-friendly option. Motion lights range from $20 to $60. Position them near entry points, such as doorways, garages, and hidden side doors. Bonus: they add curb appeal, and you'll be grateful for the light when you're fumbling for your keys after dark. Tip: if you already have outdoor lights, consider adding motion detecting bulbs to save money. Number five, use smart plugs and timers to create the illusion of presence. Sometimes security is all about making it look like someone's home. Use smart plugs or timers to turn on lights, the TV, or even a radio. Cost-effective setup. Timers can be as low as $5, while smart plugs run about $10 to $15. Program them to switch lights on and off at random times to keep intruders guessing. Why it works. Burglars are more likely to target homes that seem unoccupied. A flickering light or sound can make them reconsider. Fun fact: the Home Alone movie trick of setting up a party with cardboard cutouts on a timer might not be practical, but timed lights are close enough. Number 6, fake it till you make it. Signs and dummy cameras. If you can't cover every angle with real security equipment, a few decoys can help. Fake cameras. These cost as little as $10, and their mere presence can discourage would-be intruders. Just mount them where they're visible, but hard to reach. Security signs. Even if you don't subscribe to a security service, you can still use the signs. Yard signs and window decals stating 24/7 security monitoring can be a great deterrent. Pro tip: make sure your real equipment, like cameras, is obvious and dummy cameras blend in. The idea is to create doubt, not challenge burglars to find which ones are real. Number 7, don't forget good old-fashioned locks. The best security sometimes starts with the basics. Deadbolts. A high-quality deadbolt costs $15 to $30 and provides extra protection against forced entry. Smart locks. From about $100, a smart lock lets you lock and unlock your door from anywhere, which is helpful if you tend to lose keys or have kids coming home alone. Pro tip: for sheds, garages, or other buildings, don't forget a good old padlock. It might not be high-tech, but it's effective. Final thoughts. Building a security system doesn't have to break the bank. Start with the essentials and remember that each addition, from motion lights to a strategically placed fake camera, can make your home less inviting to intruders. Stay safe, stay secure, and if anyone ever asks about your setup, just smile and say, "Oh, it's a very advanced system." You'll find the video used in today's Tech Talk at the link listed. Did you know the Japanese word kuchi zamichi is the act of eating when you're not hungry because your mouth is lonely? It's illegal to own just one guinea pig in Switzerland. It's considered animal abuse because they're social beings and get lonely. Halloween is big business in the U.S. Every year, Americans collectively spend over $12 billion on Halloween candy, costumes, and decorations. Just thought you might like to know. The greater the interest involved in a truth, the more careful, self-distrustful, and patient should be the inquiry. Thanks to Harriet Beecher Stowe. Carry out a random act of kindness with no expectation of reward, safe in the knowledge that one day someone might do the same for you. Thanks to Princess Diana. And that's a wrap for this week's Tech Talk and Beyond. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you again next week. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.